Hello everyone, this is Indrashish from LeapStart. Today we will be doing high intensity interval training. So it means that we will do the exercise for a shorter period of time for 30 seconds and then we will take a short break. Again we will do an exercise, then again we will take a short break. So I will give you the list of exercise and the number of seconds you need to work on and the number of seconds you will be taking the rest. So let's start. First exercise which we will be doing is half burpees. So I have shown you how to do burpee in the previous videos. So in this one you have to do half burpee. That means you have to do like this and like this. In a full burpee, you will have to stand up. But in this one, we are not doing a full burpee. We are doing a half burpee. So you have to do it like this. So the next exercise we will be doing is side to side push-up. So I have shown you how to do a push-up. You all know how to do a push-up. It's a very common exercise. But in this one, I will do a side to side push-up. So first, I will do a push-up in the center, then towards the side, again on the center, again towards the side, again on the center, towards the side. Third exercise will be reverse lunge and knee drive. In the reverse lunge, we will put our leg backward instead of putting our leg forward. Remember you all that we have done a forward lunge where we put our leg forward like this. Then the next leg like this. But in this one, we will not be doing this. We will be putting our leg backward and up like this. Leg backward, up, back, up, back, up. So when you are coming up, make sure you use your full strength on the resting leg and bring the other leg forward and knees high like this. Try to keep your balance intact. So this exercise is called reverse lunge as we are taking our leg backward and knee drive. Next exercise will be for the abdomen muscle. It is called a knee grab. In knee grab, you have to lie down on your back with your legs in the air, up, 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 up. The next exercise will be high knees. You all know how to do a high knee. Either you put your legs high like this, knees high, or you can also keep your hands to make a marker like the height up to which you will bring your knees. So keep your hands like the marker and do this. If you don't want, don't keep your hands, but make sure if you are not keeping your hands, you are moving your hands in running motion. This is high knees. The next exercise will be mountain climber. In this, you come in a push-up position and you pull your legs like this. This is like doing high knees while in the push-up position. This is known as mountain climber. Try to do it fast. If you run out of breath, don't leave the exercise. Just go slow. But don't leave the exercise if you are out of breath. Again, we will be doing an exercise for our abdomen muscles. Here, you have to sit like this and make sure that you don't touch your head on the ground. Just keep your head and a part of your chest just up and do like this. Your Elbows will touch the opposite knee. Again I am saying that if you feel tired, just go slow, but don't leave the exercise. Go slow. So while doing the abs exercises, we actually concentrate more on the upper abs and on the lower abs or the middle abs. But we often tend to forget to train our oblique muscles. The oblique muscles are the side parts of your abdomen muscles, the side parts. So now we will do an exercise to train the oblique muscles. This is known as side to side plank. So we all know how to do a plank. We have to rest on our forearm like this and keep our body straight. But in this exercise, we will rotate our lower body while keeping the upper body intact. So this will be your side to side plank. So that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.